As an autistic person with ADHD, this is me trying to explain what rejection sensitive dysphoria feels like to me. Sometimes someone corrects something I said and it feels like I was rejected. Not corrected, rejected, and that too as a person. That's what rejection sensitive dysphoria feels like. To a person looking from outside, it feels like I was just overreacting to something seemingly small. But to me, it literally feels like something snapped and it is extremely painful. My brain doesn't see it as, oh, that's inaccurate. It sees it as, stop talking, you're wrong. This person hates you, you're such a burden, you always bother people. You should just stop speaking about how you feel because you always ruin everybody's day. And to make it worse, all of this happens very fast. Mind you, it isn't a slow emotional reaction, it is instant. Logic doesn't even get time to enter the conversation. Basically, my nervous system reacts before I can explain anything to myself or think rationally. And a lot of times, I regret a lot of things that I say while my RSD is triggered. Not because what I said was fake, I always meant what I say. But the thing is, it all happens at once and I speak about all of it at once because I have silently felt the invalidation for so long that I can't keep it contained anymore, and it just comes out like that, and it often hurts people, and I don't even realize because these thoughts are too quick for me to even realize. But it is something that I've constantly felt, and now because of the trigger, right, it's just coming out all at once. I don't know how else to explain this. So it's not like I'm sorry for what I said, it's about I'm sorry for how I said it, because during this time there is no filter. So it's just like word vomit. It'll just, anything will come out of my mouth and I don't actually monitor anything. It's like truly like all of the mask falls off, and whatever I've been feeling, whatever invalidation I've been feeling, it just is out in the open. So when correction happens without acknowledgement of the problem that I had and acceptance of it, usually it's a small problem, okay? Then my brain doesn't look at it as guidance. It literally sees it as an attack, and it feels like I've been dismissed. It feels that to the other person, accuracy mattered more to them than how I feel or than just me as a person. It literally feels like they do not care. So RST does not get triggered every time I'm criticized or rejected. It's actually not like that, and it doesn't even have to be that intense. I think for me, when it comes from somebody I do care about, and if the topic at hand was something that was important to me, then yes, it's the worst. I'm a content creator. I've been creating content for a long time, and random hate comments don't affect me at all, in fact, until unless they are talking about something that might have mattered to me a lot, but usually those do not trigger me at all. So if you've found yourself reacting strongly to something seemingly small, you might not just be too sensitive. You might actually have rejection sensitive dysphoria.